So this is actual distance it's showing. So now the distance is more than 1 meter. So when the obstacle comes, so distance is reduced. So this is a system, microcontroller, relay and ultrasonic sensor, this one. So this wire is connected to solenoid valve here, and this is a main DC power supply what we are given to compressor and microcontroller. So now I'll just turn on the compressor. So now there is brake. Now the brake is not applied. So if you see, whenever the obstacle comes, relay is switched, relay turns on and brake is applied. So whenever I go obstacle detectors, so obstacle, whenever the obstacle removes, brake will be released.